What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel at kamusta kayong lahat? Well, isa namang TikTok battle compilation ng video for today at request siya ni Kendra Antoinette Baron. So guys, huwag natin patagalin and here's your request with Marylight Namayo and Fairy Fajardo. Let's watch it. Ang cute sobra dito ni Fairy. Sobrang cute tingnan dito ni Fairy. Hindi ko lang maintindihan kung ano ba yan. Fox ba yan? O pusa ba yan? Tapos bumagi pa yung hood jacket niya. Basta, napaka-cute yan tingnan dito. Ang cute din ni Marylight. No? Simple lang, nakahiga pa ata yun eh. Ay, nako po. Nasa gaming chair siya eh. Hindi talaga na mukha nito ni Fairy. Napaka-sexy talaga nito ni Fairy. Cute niyang tingnan, liit ng mukha niya eh. Tapos bilog na bilog. Ang puti pa. Ang cute ng buhok dito ni Marylight. Simple-simple lang yung dance step nito eh. Ang cute yung smile ni Fairy. Sarap naman panoorin ng ganyan kahit simpleng dance moves lang.
Grave faz tum e a bunda dela bate, 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 bate. Grave faz tum e a bunda dela bate.
Iba naman ang kasama ni Marylight dito ah.
Bate, 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 bate.
Ang ganda ng bewang dito ni Fairy, hindi? Yang ngiti eh. Gusto ko talaga yung ngiti ni Fairy. Napaka-cute yan tingnan. Si Marylight talaga, simple lang magsayaw. Hindi ka siya ganun kahato, pero ang sarap panoorin.
O grave faz tum. 1, 2, 3. Think I got you clear. Don't tap out, fight into the end. She said, look, no hands and no darling, I don't dance.
1, 2, 3. Se pone loca con el pic, toc, pic, toc, pic, toc. Bitch.
Corvette.
Drop it on my car.
Stop, drop, and roll. Do that. Do it like pro. Do that.
Ang lambot ng katawan dito ni Marylight ah. Parang uche.
I got some bad things I wanna to myself. Gotta take the time to cut them off, I need help.
Be a pro next to DJ. Say I'm a total dress, I'm a G-Rap. If you want sex, maybe use the knee pads. Give it, baby, give me.
Ang galing sasayaw talaga ni Fairy.
West side, blah.
Parang nahiya dito yung kasama magsayaw eh. Natunahan ko eh.
She got
Ang lambot ng katawan ni Fairy dyan ah.
good for a lot of ass. Don't need to have more. I know it's sweet. I like
Galing. Kita nyo guys yung galawan doon ni Fairy. Ang galing ano. Napakalambot ng katawan tapos napaka-sexy pa niyang tingnan.
Better than yours.
Her pussy, wet like wet ocean water. Super splash, soaking, woo.
So, yun lang guys ang video for today. But before we end this video, shoutout portion muna tayo. At shoutout kay Jessa May Silagan. So, kamusta ka po? At lagi ka po mag-ingat. So, yun lang guys. Kung meron kayong mga requests or suggestion, or kung gusto mo shoutout for my next upload, just comment down below. At syempre, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, share, subscribe. So, yun lang guys. Thanks for watching. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo. And I hope to see you in my next video. Have a good one. And peace out.